10 pieces na ano guys, USB bulb pang lamp. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So ito yan guys, 10 pieces LED lamp. Tara, testing natin. Yan guys, testing lang natin guys. Anywhere na may ano guys, USB, tusok nyo lang yan guys. At wala, may ilaw na kayo guys. Saktong sakto yan guys, kahit saan, no? Power bank, basta may USB siya guys, pwede yan guys. Gana yan, ang cute. Instant lamp. Umorder akong 10 para panggamit sa mga emergency situation. Yan. Yan dyan guys, pwede rin yan guys dun sa solar natin na box. Ayan, oh. Pwede yan guys. Basta anything na may USB plug guys, pwede yan. So goods na goods yan guys. Alright.